Fifth question, the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of this. Now, the meaning of this is, suppose you expand this. Now, since the power of the binomial is 10, so totally there will be 11 terms in the expansion. So, in the middle somewhere in between these 11 terms, or maybe anywhere, what will happen is there will be a term containing x power 4. That means when you expand this, there will be something into x power 4, etc., etc. So, therefore, now we have to find for x power 4 what is the coefficient. Yes. Now, whenever this kind of a problem is asked, that is, if they ask coefficient of x power something, we have to go by a shortcut, and the shortcut is given by r is equal to np minus m divided by p plus q. So, this is the shortcut, and this will help us to do this problem in a much faster way. And what is n here? N is nothing but the power, that is 10, into what is p? P is the power of this x, that is power of x in the numerator here. So, x here power is 1, so therefore, this is nothing but p. Now, what is q? Q is nothing but the power of x in the base, that is in the second term here, this is nothing but q, this is q. And what is m? M is the power of the question. They are asking what is the coefficient of x power 4. Now, this 4 is nothing but m. Now, if you substitute here, the value of p is 1 minus m is 4, again p is 1 plus q is 2, and from here you will get the value of r. So, this is 10 minus 4, that is 6, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. Therefore, we will get the value of r as 2. Now, once we get the value of r as 2, we can easily find the coefficient of any term. Okay, now we are going to find the coefficient of x power 4. For that, again we can use a very simple shortcut. Now, if you want term containing x power 4, so I will write like this, term containing x power 4. Yes, you can remember a very simple method without a formula to write the term containing x power 4 here. The first term is NCR, that is, first write this n, C, R, that is this 2. So, this is here you have to write n, here you have to write the value of r that you have got, into, next what you have to do is go to the first term, write everything except x term, that is, just forget this x term, write the coefficient of that x. So, coefficient of x is half here, so just write half. Then in this power, just write the difference of this, into, finally the same thing, go to the second term, forget x term, x square, whatever, forget, just write the coefficient other than x term, whatever is there you have to write, it is minus 3, power, here you have to write again the value of r. Yes. Okay. So, now if you simplify this, 10C2, it is 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1 into, this is 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So, 1 power 8 is 1, this is 2 power 8, that is 256 into minus 3 square is nothing but 9. So, now if you cancel this, 2 goes 5 times. So, 9 9s are 81, 81 into 5 is 405 divided by 256. Okay, now you can see that option A is the answer. Actually, this term will be like this. This will be the term actually. Yeah, this term will contain x power 4. Now, why option A is the answer is they are asking only the coefficient of x power 4. So, the coefficient of x power 4 is 405 by 256, and hence option A will be the answer.